Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best sausage stuffer that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gourmia GMG 7100 Prime Commercial Grade Meat Grinder, 800 watts. For the toughest meat and bone grinding at home, trust none other than Gourmia GMG 7100 Meat Grinder. It is not limited to home use only but is also a great option if you ran a small restaurant and you do lots of meat grinding. Furthermore, it is a great device for preparing sausage, mince, kibba among other meat delicacies. It uses 3 blades which deliver coarse, medium and fine varieties. Besides, it is designed with 4-way dial, power and reverse controls to ensure convenient and safe control. Also, every component is removable for easy cleaning and locks back in place for a stable, rigid operation. The package comes with bonus accessories which include a pusher, kibba attachment, 3 sausage funnels among other. Further, the device is made of ETL-certified materials and therefore, quality, hygiene and health safety are a guarantee. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vivo Sausage Stuffer 5 to 7 pound vertical stainless steel 3L, 7LB meat filler. How do you ensure you choose the best meat grinder or sausage stuffer? It can be a tricky endeavor. Choosing Vivo Sausage Stuffer 5 can keep your worries away. This device features a patented and innovative design. It features full metal construction with a stainless steel polish to ensure easy, clean and durable use. It features a stable base and cranks to deliver an efficient, wobble-free operation. The piston mechanism features a unique air valve which removes hot air smoothly. Thus, the device operates well without overheating. Moreover, the entire cylinder tilts backward to ensure easy filling. It comes with plastic nozzle to increase versatility and usability. At number 3, we have the STX International Electric Meat Grinder. STX International offers this electric meat grinder to anyone looking for massive production of grounded meat. The device is size 12 and is accompanied by an equally powerful motor with a maximum power of 2000 watts. Therefore, you can produce pounds of ground meat in just some few minutes. Besides, its motor operates on 3 speeds, i.e. high, low and reverse. It features a circuit breaker to ensure everything is okay even when there is a power surge. It also features a pedal control that frees your hands when you want to do other stuff while still operating the machine. Moreover, it features a quad air cooling system that keeps the device at the appropriate operating temperature. At number 2, we have the Sunmile SMG 51000W Max Electric Meat Grinder and Sausage Stuffer. Are you searching for a high-power meat grinder that doesn't cost that much? The SMG 50 made by Sunmile is one of the best choices you could ever have. It features a power rating of 350 watts but can reach up to 1000 watts locked power. This device can grind up to 200 pounds of meat in just 1 hour. The motor is durable and equally powerful. You need to cherish this device since it is size 12. Thus, it provides unsurpassed performance more than size 5 or size 8 or other standard grinders. It boasts a polished aluminum body which is beautiful and equally durable. It comes with 3 cutting plates which can deliver fine, medium and coarse. And finally at number 1, we have the Super Deal Heavy Duty Vertical Sausage Stuffer, 5L. The Heavy Duty Vertical Sausage Stuffer is state-of-the-art sausage stuffer. Well, it is made by the renowned Super Deal company. It operates on an incredibly strong motor and supports 2 stuffing speeds. Besides, the cylinder is removable to allow great maneuverability during filling and cleaning. The gears and the piston are made of stainless metal and can withstand great pressure. Also, it has a locking nut precisely designed and positioned to prevent leaking. It features a stainless steel full body. Thus, it is elegant, easy to clean and very durable. For a more convenient filling, it features a unique design for mounting it on the table. Moreover, the control features are ergonomically designed to support both right and left-handed operation. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.